Yakima County is a cost-friendly location for business. The region's lower operating costs translate into higher profitability and growth for companies of all shapes and sizes.
Well, I think that we've saved a tremendous amount of money, both in the area of energy necessary to run our business, and also the amount that we're paying as far as our lease per square footage.
We're in the neighborhood of 25 to 40% savings over being across the border in Canada.
One of the other reasons why we like Grandview or the lower Yakima Valley so well is because the labor force, we can find a lot better employee in this area, frankly, for less money.
Savings for business come in a variety of forms. Electric power and municipal utilities typically cost less. Wages and salaries shrink for entry-level and skilled workers. Taxes and lease rates also drop, especially when compared to larger metro areas. Yakima offers relief to businesses trying to maintain margins.
In reality, Yakima is one of the lowest tax cities in the state of Washington. And we're a fiscally conservative city that needs to spend our money wisely, and we don't want to overburden our citizens or our business community. The city of Yakima is very lean. We know that we have to be lean and spend our money wisely. We want to help business flourish in the city of Yakima.
The region's cost effectiveness is further enhanced by one of the best collection of incentives available in the Pacific Northwest. The Yakima Valley's incentives plus state resources can be custom tailored, so they add tremendous value for growing companies.
We provide everything from CDBG float loans to job creation grants and Section 108 loans that are all aimed toward job creation and helping businesses to invest in the community.
We were directed towards the Department of Revenue for credits for B&O tax, which has helped us in an ongoing basis from the beginning. We're still able to take advantage of that today.
Fast Track Permitting is another resource that helps business expand quickly and predictably.
We want to turn permits over very quickly and offer the best customer service in the state.
The city's Fast Track Permitting process is backed up with a money-back guarantee. We let you get through the process as quickly as possible and help you get to construction to ensure that you have a quality project that is going to be an asset to the community for job creation.
Favorable operating costs, tailored incentives, and government partners with a positive attitude. Yakima's advantages really stack up.
We are hungry for business. We want businesses in our community. We need businesses in our community. We have the people, we have the land, we have what you need. We're just welcoming you. Anytime you want, come and see us. We're ready for you.
We're a jewel. We have so many things to offer a variety of people, and you just need to come see for yourself. It's really a great place to work, live, and play.